Hi guys! Today's recipe is about challah bread. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is add the instant dry yeast to the flour. Please note, if you are using active yeast, you should mix it with the water and keep it on the side in a different small bowl or plate. Next, we are going to add the vegetable oil. That is the bowl for the planetary mixer. Add your sugar, your salt, and your malt syrup. Add the egg yolks, water, and last is the flour with the added dry instant yeast. If you are using planetary mixer, use the attachment for the dough. So we are going to mix for about 3-4 minutes at first stage, at first speed, and then afterwards second stage at second speed for about 8-12 minutes. Once the dough is ready out of the mixer, that is how it's going to look like. It's so smooth. Look at it. Get your bowl. Use any fat you have available, either oil or butter. We let the dough rest for about an hour. Then close it with a cling film. Let the gases come out of the dough. Fold, it is not required in this recipe. We are going now to scale the dough depending on how many braids we will have in each bread. I'm going to show you two techniques for the two braids. So the first one is place horizontally those two strips. Okay, pinch them together in the beginning. All right. Pinch it tightly here underneath. Here it is, one of the techniques. There are many ways you can do those braids. Okay. Okay, that is the other technique. Right goes under the left and top goes under the bottom. Before baking, brush with egg whites. We bake for about 35-40 minutes at 180. You can sprinkle poppy seeds or sesame seeds after you brush the surface.